Like Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change your name servers in Hostinger. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe as this really helps me out. So to start with, you're going to open up your Hostinger account. There we're going to look over to the left hand side and we're going to click onto domains and domain portfolio. Here your websites will show up. We need to locate the website that you want to change the name servers in. And then we're going to look over to the right hand side and we're going to click on manage. Then we're going to look over to the left hand side where it says DNS name servers and we're going to click on there. And right away, you should see the DNS name servers section where you can change your name servers. So if you're ready to change your name servers, all you need to do is click on the Change Name Servers button and add in your custom name servers, then click Save. Be aware that any changes you make to the name servers can take a while to take effect. So it could be anywhere between a few minutes and up to 24 to 48 hours. And that's how you change your name servers in Hostinger. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.